So this is a question for some people, for some of the viewers. I think your answer gonna help them. So how can shy students become more confident in speaking?
It's normal to be shy. Everyone does that. Even me, I was shy at first, but then I started learning. They can be confident if they listen and practice English. And also for me, I did this same thing. I was very shy. Tasnim Miss tried to help me. I did. Now I can speak in English.
Okay, yeah, you're a really good speaker. Like from the first time I saw, but you're definitely a good speaker, and I know you can improve a lot, better than me, better than anyone. Okay, how important is pronunciation?
Pronunciation is very important, because if your pronunciation is wrong and your sentence is correct, then nobody can understand you. And if your pronunciation is correct and your sentence is also correct, then it's easier for everyone to understand. So pronunciation is really important.
Okay, so how long does it take to become fluent?
It depends on you and your practice. If you practice slowly and do not practice every day, then it might take some years. But if you practice faster and learn new skills, new speaking skills and listening skills every day, then it will be better for you, and you can see your progress in a few months or weeks.
Okay, so you're saying that like it depends on person's dedication and willing about learning something, right?
Yeah.